Okay, hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Here's my phone. You can see Brooklyn's art. I don't know if you guys know Brooklyn, but here's her art. Destiny's on the phone. Catch her lacking, y'all. Basically, this is a kind of a vlog slash room tour video because I'm gonna show you like bits and pieces of what I filmed of me doing my room and then a room tour at the end. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate it and I hope you guys have fun. Bye, besties.
I was good. I was truly happy for her, and that's the stress.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog, it's day 1 of currently redoing my room in quarantine for like the 1500th time. So first thing I just did is I took off. Why am I always out of breath? Like, do I need to go to a doctor? Is there like a respiratory doctor? I do have asthma. Could that be this? Can someone tell me? Do I need to go to a doctor? Why am I like all the time? All the leaves. So I have some new gaps, which I didn't know really existed because I had the leaves covering. So I obviously still have some little leaves left to take out. Wish me luck. I don't know. Oh, also I hung my Harry Potter calendar finally. So yeah, let's do a little overview. Also, my room's a mess. So wish me luck. Hi, it's currently day 2 of me trying to redo my room. I have my hair clipped up, so I'm sorry, but it looks weird. But this is my outfit. Let me stand correctly. Jeans, this brandy shirt, my rings, my little earrings. They're like my Melody, but I screwed up her face, so shouldn't look like it. But okay, let me talk about what we're all really here for in my room. So it's a mess. It's getting slowly getting messier. But I think I talked about this. I already kind of like moved this up there, which I think it looks so much nicer. Like I'm obviously gonna fill this and that, but those don't come until Tuesday. So they're supposed to come tomorrow. Then I got an email saying they're backlogged. So I did my first layer. Got some sheets down, but now let it dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna do the second layer. Wish me luck. I swear my room is literally getting messier every time I start these clips, but I just wanted to show you guys like a wall update. Here, I'll show you. Okay, you can still see the outline, which is fine, kind of. I'm gonna go over it one more time to be honest. But let me show you this new section. So I had stuff here. I had my Why Don't We album, 8 letters, and my little green purse. But I just moved over here, and look how cute it is. I want to find something to put in that like little area, and maybe some stuff down there. But I don't think it'll be too hard. And I don't know. I think it's like cute when I clean my dresser. It's gonna be like a really cute little zone. I also want to find something to put right like here. So some little things. I'm not looking for them. I definitely jinxed when I said it would be really easy to find something to go there and that like white shelf in between my album. There's still nothing there. I don't know what to put there. It's just a really weird space, so I definitely jinxed that. Right now, but I'm gonna take down my leaves and I don't know. I'm just gonna keep going because like it's still early and it's still Friday, so. But yeah, I don't know. I'm really cool. I really like my room right now. It's getting cool. I'm so excited. Okay, bye. I lost the clip where I discuss why the ink is spreading right here. So I used to have these butterfly patches on my bed, but they like came off when I changed my fabric on my bed. So I tried to iron them back on and they like melted, and that's what I'm trying to explain. So I went to iron them on and then this happened. Like the ink of them was like spreading or something. I don't know. But that's not cute. So we're not gonna do that. Also my wall looks so good. It also looks so different on camera than in person. It's kinda crazy. Like in person, My phone just picks up everything. I swear to God. I swear to God. So yeah, we're not gonna do that because that's nasty and now it looks dirty and now I'm kind of sad. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Messy room check. It's really bad in here. Check. It's currently 8 o'clock and I'm starting to lose motivation to do anything. Hi. I just realized that I lose motivation here. And like, I think it's because I do online school. I don't know why. But ever since I've been doing online school, I've literally had no motivation to do anything besides school. And hardly even that. So I just thought it was really interesting that I talk about that here. So yeah. I hung these up. These leaves. I have all that way to go. I'm like halfway done. This is like by my bed. Okay, let me see if you can see me in the mirror. Hi. It's going good. I just gotta get a couple more done. It's gonna be a very long process. As for pictures, they come Tuesday. Finish my wall on Wednesday. I ideally wish they came tomorrow like they were supposed to. So I started this video so early. But we're getting there. It's okay. We're getting there. Hi vlog. It's currently 11 o'clock at night on a Saturday. And look who's here. Hello. I don't know who she is. I found her on the street. She's kind of scary. So here's my room. I didn't show you guys last night, but I finished the vines. But also I feel like I did. Yeah, I vlogged last night. So I'm currently having a dilemma. I want to add more in my room. Also, I look like a crazy person right now. Okay, so I don't know what to do. Hi, welcome to my room. God, I'm so excited. Okay, let's go this way. So basically, here's like my dresser that I bought recently. It's a nice gray color. I really like it. Before we get too far into this video, I just want to say, please take a shot every time I say like or because I like to use filler words, and apparently that's all I know how to do. So take a shot and tweet me how drunk you are after. Okay, bye now. It's really big. It's a lot bigger than my old dresser. I have a lot of clothes, so I can't like store them in it. Okay, my wall. These are the pictures that I just got off Pinterest. They're like probably gonna fall off now. Okay. They're like indie and they're like cool and they're like, it's kind of like farmer's market vibes. That makes sense. And then here's like my ginormous earring collection that I've literally just started like 2 months ago now because I got a second piercing and I got really into like jewelry. And then I have some more down here that I don't really like where I get, and my AirPods, some books, not my phone, but a phone, my LED lights, my retainers because I didn't lose them this time. Y'all already know I lost my other one. Okay. So then I have these cool shelves that Mariah likes to talk about every time she comes over now. Like, for like 10 minutes. Like, I really like the shelves. It's because they're snagging to the corner. She really likes the shelves. So on this bottom shelf, I have my candle, some stuffies, my Cartoons Humanity, which I love to play. People come over. Disposable cameras, I'm so obsessed with them. I've been using them since freshman year. Some film I already used. So, okay, up here I have my panda that my friend Dia gave me last Christmas. I don't know how I got this, but I just have it. So if someone could let me know. No, other than that finished my Harry Potter one. This is my new film camera. So excited I got it for Christmas. It's just like reusable. So it's really good for the environment. So I think that's very important because the chemicals for disposables are really bad. So I didn't know that recently. Alright, so now we have this other wall, which is my back wall, which if I do streaks with you, you've literally seen it every day for like 6 months. So yeah, it's just a bunch of leaves. It's super basic. I really like it though. It brings all the color to the room. I still have a chalkboard here, but I got rid of it because I didn't like it anymore. So there's that. It's really nice. I just hung up and they go to the bottom. And I have my bed all made, which I don't have right now. It looks really nice. Okay, this is my favorite part of my room. This is Glendora. I love my pinning board so much. I've been writing here since May, June, I want to say, like 6 months now. I'm not good at it at all, so you don't call me on it. I dropped Glendora. So no one's gonna hear that, but I dropped her. I love her. I take her everywhere with me. That is my child. I were to have a child, but I don't have one, so thanks God. Okay. the literal main focus of my bedroom is my photo wall, which is the entire wall from there to there, which is like 20 feet, I think. It's so cool. So basically, it started over here. It's just this little thing above my bed. But someone told me that I made a joke about how this shit was important to me, and then like, where are your friends? And then somehow it became this whole other part. But I have some of my art that I did up here like in February before Corona. With Cardi, I wanted to Pluto. And then I have Kermit the Frog, which is like really cute. And I just have this like really cool, it's kind of falling, so I gotta fix it. I had it for like 9 months. I have pictures of my friends and just selfies and Snapchat. So if you ever send me snaps, they're probably gonna end up here. There's also someone's detention slip and some film pictures I took over the summer and some great stuff. And then I have this card my friend wrote me for my birthday, which I think is just like so sweet. You can hear the tape. I think that's really cool. I have pictures of my friend, and it goes all the way down there to the bottom. It goes around my plug. It's really cool. Moving on this way. Oh, I have my bedside table, my MacBook, my hair ties, some more pictures that didn't fit over there. And then I have my beanie, which I literally wore like twice. I just thought that was important to mention. And then I have a bunch of random stuff in here that's like not needed. So then I have my bean bag, which I've had since I was like 8 or 9. So, and I have some different kind of indie aesthetic here, like more like hot pink, kind of more nice speed. I really fuck with it. It's really cool. And then over here, just a bunch of random stuff. I've had my Christmas present from somebody, perfume that I wear, this sign that says my name on it. It's cool. And then I have some crackers, which are like from April, so if you ever come here, please don't eat them because they're gross. Okay, so then we're gonna do my mirror. So I have my Harry Potter book, Goblet of Fire, and it took like 2 hours, which 2 hours I was crying because Mariah couldn't hang out with me because she had studied finals. So it's Goblet of Fire chapters 4 through 7. Goes all over here, and a couple pages mentions Draco Malfoy, which is just the peak of that. Alright, one of my last things that I did very impulsively with Mariah.
It came out cute.
My chalkboard wall, and it's very cool. If you ever come over, you're welcome to write on it. I don't really let people write on it, but if you want to, you're more than welcome to. I have some rainbows, some clouds, and then my pillow. I've posted this once, so it's like the last time we've seen it. Alright, last thing in my, no, one more thing after this, because I forgot something. But my door, that took like 12 hours straight one day. This is like my first quarantine project.
That day was fucking nuts.
That day was so fucking crazy. We spilled paint, I ruined a hoodie. I'll show you all the paint spill. To my defense, on ruining the hoodie part, I thought paint would come out of it. Wait, what if I bleach it out? Would that work? Gonna go do that now. Peace out. It's really cool though. It has my name. I have really pretty cursive when I try, so. Private school things. Just kidding. I was like in Catholic private school. So then up here, this is kind of musty, but I have my crayon, which doesn't turn on, apparently. So my apologies.
These are wigglies.
These are some worms that are so dirty, so please. I've had them since like May. So yeah, and then we have my closet, which is like peak happiness, and I'm gonna show you all the paint spill. One of 2, you can pick which one. So this is my closet. I just have hoodies, skirts, dresses, and my shoes. These are not even all my shoes. They're just around my house, but please don't bring that up to my mother because she'll get mad. Down here, it's my favorite part of my room. I spilled paint. I don't know how that happened, but it's gonna. All right, let's leave the closet now. I'm already out of it, so that's my room. I guess there's nothing else. I don't think I forgot anything. So yeah, it's my room. It's been 9 months, so.